Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm a San Diego criminal attorney, and I'm also the owner and managing partner of the law office of David Shapiro based in San Diego, California. My firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. Many of the people that we interact with on a day-to-day or week-to-week basis come to our office accused of domestic violence. Now, domestic violence has a lot of different offenses and involves a lot of different people under its umbrella. Generally speaking, though, the most common sense of domestic violence that we see are an issue where it's boyfriend or girlfriend or husband and wife, and allegations are made that one party was physically abusive to the other. Many times there are really not a whole lot of evidence or documented evidence, photos, those types of things that really support what has been alleged and what the individual is accused of. But nevertheless, these cases are taken seriously, even without sometimes the evidence to support it. Many times it winds up being what's known as a he said, she said. Wife says husband hit her. Husband doesn't say anything if they're smart, or denies it if they do ultimately make a statement to the police or to law enforcement. And a common misconception about domestic violence cases that we see quite frequently are, well, my wife doesn't want to press charges. I'm good. I don't need a lawyer. Totally not true. And the reason for that is this. The alleged victim of a crime has certain rights under Marcy's law in California. One of them is the right to be heard, the right to state what they believe is an appropriate outcome of the case to the prosecutor. But the prosecutor, whether it's the city attorney or the district attorney in San Diego, only has to listen to those considerations of the alleged victim. They don't need to stick to it. They don't need to do exactly what the alleged victim wants them to do or not. So once a complaint is made, an arrest is made, it's ultimately up to the prosecutor whether or not a case will be filed and whether or not, they follow through in the prosecution. Just because, your wife or your girlfriend says, hey, I don't want him to be prosecuted, doesn't really mean a whole lot. That certainly doesn't get you off the hook of prosecution. And it even emphasizes even more so in domestic violence cases why you need a top-notch quality, locally experienced criminal defense law firm representing you. Domestic violence convictions could lead to the following: time in jail. They could take you out of your work environment. They could have strict fines, mandatory 52 weeks domestic violence classes, which if nothing else are an inconvenience financially and time-wise. They can lead to restraining orders, even while you're fighting the case, where you're not allowed to go back to your house. You're not allowed to see your kids. All those types of things. You have so much at stake. You really should take advantage of the options that are out there for you, one of which being hiring a top-notch, locally experienced criminal defense law firm. If you want our help, be more than happy to listen to you, hear what you have to say, and hopefully we'll be able to help you out. Feel free to give us a call at 619-295-3555.